Howdy folks. Hopefully more to come later, but as it's almost 1 o'clock and I haven't done any video today, I thought I would start this off forcibly. I've been trying to put out fires today. When you do business in China and you do these kind of product design and import-export stuff, you are bridging a gap between a factory, a shipper, or anything here in China. You are the middle between that and your customers in the States, and you have to take the brunt of any mistake, any problem that is created on the China side that won't be understood on the America side. And recently I've had a few doozies, and it's tough because I care about my customers, and sometimes there's misunderstandings, or the buck does stop with me, so I know it's my fault, but sometimes it's tough for me to deliver bad news or not be able to do the right thing. I'd love for packages to arrive on time, products to look the way they want every single time, but sometimes the wool is pulled over my eyes, and on top of that, the new baby and everything, a little stressful. We got a bit of a surprise thunderstorm today. It's light out, but it's thundering and lightning and raining. Very relaxing. I like these types of thunderstorms. You know, I don't think this is one of the thunderstorms I remember from my first couple of years in Ningbo, but when I first moved here, it was really hot. It was so hot that China, this area of China, was artificially making rain. I remember Annie was getting texts to her phone saying that if she came across, it was from the government, and it said if she came across any discarded or like loose missile casings, to stay away from them. Way inland, they were firing rockets into the sky and exploding zinc oxide into the atmosphere, which was artificially causing it to rain so that they could cool down the populated cities here. Ooh, it's blowing. But I remember the thunderstorms on those days when they were doing that artificial rain. You could smell like a tinny, like a metal smell in the air. And the rain was casting like a yellow glow in the sky. This is not that type, but it does remind me of it. The government would say, okay, we're gonna make it rain at this time, be ready. And a huge thunderstorm would break the heat, and the blue sky would just be broken by this amazing thunderstorm that would just rage through the neighborhood at around, if I remember correctly, around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, when it was the hottest part of the day. It was China's solution to break the heat in the middle of summer. Interesting. Very cool. What are we watching?
Eva playing time.
I think it was possibly cuter every day, but she gets cuter every day, right?
Right.
More and more cute every day.
And more pretty.
outfit is dedicated to me.
And this.
I'm just being awesome like my daddy.
And this.
And socks. She has probably an outfit for every day. For a year.
Just.
What's it say?
I'm just being awesome like my daddy.
Daddy.
Awesome, I can see What's it?
小手势，
来了，
一天比一天厉害了，前几次。
Come on, give us.
Come on,
Come on, there you go, there you go.
好厉害，好厉害！
他头太大了，好沉哦。伊娃再来一次，哦，这个我告厉害了，伊娃
厉害，
伊娃，
他是努力想爬起来。
满月
I don't know why, but apparently this is a very big deal.
他跟满
She's
月的
lifting her head
时
off
候
the pillow by herself. She's got a lot of neck power.
一样的。
很高勇啊，
会抬会抬，
跟我比的都
会
是他
抬。
是新。
他等满月的时候，整个头都能抬起来了。
宝宝睡着了，花园是摇篮，摇着花宝宝，风儿轻轻地吹，花宝宝睡着了。花宝宝睡着了，妈妈是摇篮。
She doesn't like that song. I like that song.